Hey, what's up, guys? It's Alex or Lopez Skates. Today I'm put together a board from my buddy here. He just bought all this stuff. Fortunately, we couldn't support local because of the time we went into town. They weren't open, so we had to get the stuff from Zoomies. But this is the board. It's a diamond, kind of like an NFT. It's pretty sick. Here has a 8.25. So yeah, we're gonna get right into this. I'll show you the grip tape too. Got a nice Thrasher grip tape. And then, got independent trucks, some Spitfire wheels. The size did we get? 52. That's good. He bought his own tool. We didn't know if I knew where mine was, and I found it, unfortunately. So we got that. Independent gold and black hardware, and the Reds bearings. So let's get right to it. So I think I want to start putting the bearings in the wheels because they'll suck. So we'll do that. And I couldn't find a blade, so I got scissors. Grip tape's gonna be fun with that guy. Some Spitfire wheels. I like these. These are nice colors too. So we'll get to the bearings. Pop the bearings. We're having issues with our camera keep turning off, so that's probably why it's cutting a lot. Alright. Some nice reds. This part's gonna be fun. Alright. Had issues with this one, but we're gonna put other bearings in. Bearings are the worst part, I think, of putting together a skateboard. Alright guys, my camera keeps turning off. It's being weird, but we got the bearings in. We fought with them, so you might not see that in the video, but there's one wheel that's a little messed up. It doesn't go as good. Try to fix it. The bearings look fine, so. But here's the independent trucks. The Spitfire. So now we'll get into the grip tape. It's a nice board. And that's the tail nose, your regular. Yeah, I hate how the magazine's right at the bottom, because some of it's gonna probably be cut. Otherwise, it's gonna be like real close. This part hangs down. Air bubbles. Oh, 3 years since I put one together. Love to build these. Might have done it. Alright. So we got the grip tape on it. Now we just gotta trim it. Nice too. I'm gonna actually use my tool right now. scratched it so you can see the outline when you cut. And we'll see how it goes with the scissors. Alright guys, I had to go find a razor blade because the scissors were not doing it. And of course, Chris found it in the tool bag. Didn't think about it. It's gonna be so much nicer now. Come back and trim this stuff off. Alright. So we got it trimmed out. We just gotta sand some and trim a little bit more from where the scissors messed up. And then, good thing to do. Let's see if I have a better piece. So I take that, scrunch it up, sandpaper like. Overhang. Anyways, so push it all down. That's what grip tape on. How do you like it, Chris?
Looks dope.
Get the magazine. Sucks that the magazine doesn't push up a little further.
No, but it's alright. It still looks dope. So.
Yeah. So now we'll get the hardware on the trucks. So you do your tape. This is what I do. And it kind of pokes a little hole on the grip tape. Pokes a little hole so then you can take your blade, kind of poke the hole in there. The hardware is going to go through. Time to put the trucks on.
Oh boy. I know.
Always want to make sure you put the trucks on the right way. Bolts on the inside of the cushion. Like that. So they face each other. It's going to be a nice board. So let's open the hardware here. These is all for the independent sticker.
Oh, yeah, no sticker.
It looks like, no, there's gold, black. So do you want a pattern?
It doesn't matter. Mix it up.
We're gonna do a pattern.
Okay.
Oh wait, actually they only gave you 2 gold ones. Oh, so it's the same one on my board. I put 2 on the tail, just so when I'm skating, I know it fast in my head. So I'll do something like that for you. It would just help you remember, since Chris is learning how to skate. He can do some basic moves and such, so this will just help him. So giving just the smallest tips helps learning. Alright, so the 4. And these 4 go. So this is the tail. We'll do 2 gold on the bottom. This is where you take your tool. You hold it on the screw side, so on the grip tape side, with the screwdriver part, while you crank it with your tool. Alright, we got the first truck on. I used a different screwdriver to hold it on. Sounded good. Another tip, a lot of people learn with like tight trucks, and I skate loose trucks, so you just have to loosen this pin here, make it wobbly. But really about preference, I guess. Alright, so we got the trucks on, the wheels. This thing's looking sick. Thrasher. That's pretty much it. Let me know if you guys like videos putting skateboards together. I guess for this one, a little struggle, but they're always a little fight. What else do you guys want to see? Yeah, other than that, subscribe, like, comment. Thank you.